Okay. Nice to hear. So we're going to show you my St. Patrick gift from, well, I made the other Leah and the other Leah. And Mystery's going to be in a later video. Okay, so this one I made the other Leah. You see? Okay. So first, I got her some.
Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Oh, yeah, Happy St. Patrick's Day. I got her some bubbles.
Green.
I got her some of these wipes.
Mm-hmm.
Card. And it has something in it, so. Let's see.
Step back. You're so close to us.
So here's the card.
Uh-huh. It's so cold out here, guys.
Yeah. It's really cool. We'll cool it down a bit. This isn't really a card.
What is it then?
It's St. Patrick's Day hug in an envelope.
Aw.
$5.
Woohoo!
Yeah, I also got her a makeup sponge.
Oh, cool.
I got her some wipes. Like
Ooh, I see the green theme.
yeah. We got her a marble mesh. Is it marble mesh or marble mesh?
I thought it's marble mesh.
What are you, marble mesh? Marble is called it. I don't get it, but now I'm just going to get it. I'm watching this video, but I got her this.
Ooh.
I mean, that's what I'm giving her. Yeah, that's not really. Look, green pin in this, and it's also cool because you can use it.
Oh, I remember doing that when I was a kid.
did it?
Yes.
Oh, because wait, I didn't.
And then it was just like all come apart and flip her all around. Oh, I haven't seen that in ages. Memory unlocked.
Yeah, this is one that she gave me. So what's that? She gave me, and it was so if it looks bad or something. So are they talking about the money thing? She made? I actually
Money
made
never
clothes.
looks bad. Ooh, I see money.
She's like, cool.
Oh, that's so
I got cool, like a
cool.
shamrock thing. This is what she made me, guys. Princess Leah.
That's so cool. Don't not let it blow away,
Yeah.
because I will run all across this park trying to catch it.
Wait, this is like this.
Okay.
Yeah. So we
Ooh.
we got some hand wipes.
Mm.
We got some sanitizer.
Love it.
Now, that's not least. We got a card. Oh. I got some list. And
Duplicate.
this isn't really a card. Money is it?
Money. Oh.
It's a St. Patrick's Day hug in an envelope.
I think we just saw that.
Yeah, no, it's a different one.
Duplicate.
Yeah, hey, bye y'all. Now we gotta take pictures.
Bye, guys. Peace.